Apple released another update. iOS 18.5 is now available for everyone to download. Today in this tutorial, I will show you a few things you should do right after you update. First, we need to update apps from App Store. Open the App Store on your iPhone. At the top right of the screen, click on the Profile menu. Scroll down and update apps individually or tap Update All to update everything at once. Turn off Beta Update. For that, launch the Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. From here, tap on Beta Update option. If it's turned on, turn it off. Carrier Update. Open Settings. Next, tap on General. Tap on About. Now refresh the page. If there is any update like this, update it. After updating, charge your phone. Finally, when the update is complete, you have to power off your iPhone for some time. Then turn on the phone and use it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.